I thought quitting sugar would fix everything. I was tired, bloated, moody, and constantly craving junk food, so I went cold turkey on sugar. No desserts, no soda, no fruit even. And for a few days, I felt worse than ever. Brain fog, headaches, no energy, no motivation, total crash. But here's what I didn't understand. It's not just about quitting sugar, it's about replacing it with the right fuel. I wasn't giving my body the energy it needed. Then I learned about the keto switch, using fat for fuel instead of sugar. I started a simple keto plan. No crazy tracking, just real food, structure, and daily meals I could follow. Within days, everything changed. No more energy dips, no more sugar cravings. My mood stabilized, my focus came back. And for the first time, I felt in control of my body again. It wasn't quitting sugar that changed my life. It was replacing sugar with the right fuel. I followed this 30-day keto meal plan, and it's only £1 to get started. Link is below.